Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am Germ here. As you guys can see up on the screen, it's kind of cut off on the left side, but today I wanted to talk about Immunoprecist antibodies. The ticker symbol here is going to be IPA. And this stock and this company are in the news today for a couple of reasons. One, because the stock price, the share price went absolutely insane, up over 136% in a single day. This is in Canadian dollars actually, but it's still very, very interesting to take a look at. Again, over 136%. Opening the day, it closed yesterday right around 7 Canadian dollars, opened up today at right around 8 Canadian dollars 39. The intraday high was up to 20, which is really, really crazy, at least from this chart. It might have gone a little bit higher, but obviously it ends up closing around 1656. Again, still up over 130% in a single day. Absolutely crazy. A lot of people are wondering what's going on. It's turning heads. People want to know what's up. People want to know if it's going to keep running. A $318 million market cap stock here, so not insanely tiny, but pretty small overall. We're just going to be talking all about it today, what the big news is, what's going on, so you guys can just be hopefully a little bit better educated. But definitely drop a like if you guys do enjoy this video. I would appreciate it so much. Also subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content, because we're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers really bad. With your guys' help, we can get a little bit closer, a little bit faster. I think like 93% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed, so we have a ton of room to run, a ton of room to grow. That would be absolutely awesome. With that being said, here we go. So Investor Place put out this article called IPA stock 7 things to know about COVID vaccine stock Immunoprecist as shares rocket 120%. And then here's why IPA stock is higher today. So this biopharma company, Immunoprecist, is soaring because the shares have soared over 120% at the time of writing this. Extremely heavy volume, 88 million shares changing hands today, when usually it's right around 50,000 shares. So that's just an insane increase. That is a crazy jump, and it's what we see a lot with these companies. But even this, I mean, going from 50,000 to 88 million is significant volume. That is significant kind of price discovery. It makes the prices a little bit stronger when it's actually on that kind of volume rather than being on the just minuscule volume that these companies usually are. So this move does come amid some big news for the company. Immunoprecist today reported some intriguing results from its COVID-19 therapy. These results suggest that the company's antibody cocktail shows efficacy among animal trials. Obviously just animals, we're not to humans yet, but these trials are suggesting in animals that the antibody cocktail is not affected by the rapidly spreading Delta variant. I mean, this is all everyone is talking about right now. It seems like it's one of the big buzzwords in the media, in the stock market, is this Delta variant, whether it's going to send us into more lockdowns, whether it's going to have more COVID regulations coming back into places rather than us getting closer to getting away from them, whether it's going to affect businesses, all this kind of stuff, whether these reopening plays are going to be pushed back a little bit farther, whether there's going to be travel restrictions, these kinds of things, because obviously on one side, the restriction can be bad, but on the other side, tech absolutely soared during this time. So there's a ton of people going back and forth. Obviously, some people are very scared, and we see cases going up, but then obviously in other places we see vaccination rates increasing, or people opening up and life kind of going back to normal. But this Delta variant has a chance to really slow things down, just undo a lot of progress that has been made over the last couple of months and over the last year or so. So that is something that's become an increasing concern for the economic recovery. Obviously, accordingly, Immunoprecist has quickly become a stock that investors are watching. So Immunoprecist is a full-service therapeutic antibody discovering company offering species-agnostic advancements. This company is focused on finding the next generation of antibody discovery, so that's great at a time like this. And given the coronavirus pandemic, Immunoprecist has become a company with an offering that could potentially provide life-saving therapies counteracting COVID. That would be awesome. The company's recent clinical trial showed strong efficacy in reducing viral load among hamsters injected with the coronavirus. So that is the animals that we're dealing with here, if you were curious, or if that means anything to you. Additionally, the company noted reactive screening on the individual antibodies of the company's antibody cocktail revealed different susceptibility of the lead components toward the Delta variant, with the majority showing maintained binding. These results have boosted the market cap to $225 million. Again, that's just at the time of writing this. Now it's looking like it's a little bit over $300 million. And currently the shares of IPA stock trade around $12 per share, with the 52-week range between $4 80 and 33. So we know these like pharmaceutical companies are very, very volatile. You know, good news sends them flying, bad news sends them, or even no news can send them just crashing down. You know, they really need to keep having stories come out, keep having things come out. But obviously, this is something that could be a very, very big deal if they are able to continue having these processes go, if they're able to pull off some human trials, if they're able to, you know, maybe push a treatment towards market. And if it's something that can really handle the Delta variant, then this could be a very, very interesting thing going on. But again, if these trials slow down, if we start to see some failures, if there are some hiccups, these stock prices can come crashing down fast. So there's a ton of risk, a ton of volatility, but a ton of reward potential as well. But just, you know what you're getting into if you are going to trade these stocks, obviously. But that's pretty much it for this video today, guys. That is what is going on with IPA stock, why it is up over 136% just today. Definitely drop a like if you guys did enjoy this video. Leave a comment down below. What do you think about IPA? Are you buying in? Are you keeping it on your watch list? Are you staying away? I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. Hopefully catch you guys in the next one. But until then, peace.